Have you heard about pistachio? Do you know its benefits? Christians and Muslims believe that pistachio was one of the foods that Adam brought with him to earth when he was banished from the Garden of Eden. Did you know that? Interestingly, scientists say that it would be a smart idea since pistachio has some, let's say, heavenly gifts. Are you curious? Keep watching. A recent study published in the European Journal of Nutrition associates pistachio with a lower risk of developing prediabetes, which precedes the definitive diagnosis of diabetes. Isn't it interesting? But what exactly is pistachio? It is an oilseed from the same family as almonds, chestnuts, and nuts. Originally from Southwest Asia, pistachio refers to the fruit and its tree, which reaches from 16 to 23 feet tall. The green and purple colors, very characteristic of pistachio, come from lutein and anthocyanin presence. Pistachio offers many health benefits, such as contributes to eye health. The presence of lutein is essential for eye and skin health. The retina has high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that work in eye photoprotection. Lutein also prevents skin damages caused by ultraviolet rays. Rich in nutrients. The fatty acids of pistachio are beneficial for cardiovascular health. It contains protein, fiber, potassium, magnesium, vitamin K, and several phytochemicals. Pistachio has the highest contents of potassium, gamma-tocopherol, phytosterols, and carotenoids of all nuts. Protects the brain. Pistachio is an excellent source of vitamin B6, known for protecting the nervous system. This substance ensures the adequate functioning of brain neurotransmitters. Helps control glycemia levels. Adding pistachio to meals with a high glycemic index can reduce the glycemic response. Research shows that the nutrients profile of pistachio, including proteins, healthy fats, and fiber, can help with glycemic control. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Rich in fiber. Because it is rich in fiber, pistachio is healthy for the intestine. 30 grams of pistachio offer 3 grams of dietetic fiber, around 12% of the daily recommendation. It makes us feel satiated and so helps with weight loss. Nice, isn't it? Improves the immune system. Besides its anti-inflammatory powers, the minerals and antioxidants of pistachio also boost the immune system. High in antioxidants. Studies suggest that pistachio helps with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant activities, glycemic control, and endothelial function. When eaten in moderation, it also helps with weight control, thanks to its satiating effect. Each nut has a different combination of nutrients, so the best thing is to vary your consumption. There is no set recommendation for pistachio consumption, although the suggestion is around 20 or 30 grams of nuts daily. You can eat them as snacks. You find it in natural health stores and supermarkets. When buying, opt for pistachios with the shell and check for any signs of mold, humidity, or damages caused by insects. Many people only eat pistachio in grains, salted and toasted as a snack. However, this fruit can be used in many ways. In Turkish and Arab culinary, for example, pistachio is commonly seen in sweets. Did you know? Fresh pistachio is healthier than its toasted version, and there are still ice creams, cheeses, and other products made with pistachio. Have you ever tried pistachio? Did you know all of its benefits? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.